Have you ever pondered the potential of artificial intelligence in military applications? We see AI integrating seamlessly into our workplaces, shaping education and driving businesses. It's not a far-off concept anymore. It's here, enhancing our lives in ways we never thought possible. Now, as we look towards the horizon, we find ourselves questioning the suitability of AI for military purposes. Imagine tools like OpenAI's ChatGPT or Google's Gemini serving military objectives. It seems like a page out of a science fiction novel, but it's not. The U.S. military, through initiatives like the Pentagon's special meeting, is actively investigating these possibilities. They are exploring the potential of AI to transform military operations, from intelligence gathering to decision-making and even direct combat. But as we delve deeper into this brave new world, we must consider the complex landscape of AI in warfare. Can we entrust life-and-death decisions to machines? Can they make the nuanced ethical decisions that are inherent to human judgment? The rules of modern warfare are governed by international law, including the International Humanitarian Law, IHL. But can AI adhere to these legal and ethical principles? This question is at the forefront of many discussions, with experts expressing concern that AI might lack the capacity for such nuanced decision-making. AI in military applications presents a complex ethical and legal conundrum. Machines, unlike humans, lack accountability and understanding of moral imperatives. Who do we hold responsible for AI-induced mistakes or atrocities in warfare? Is it the military, the developers, or government officials? This uncertainty underscores the challenges of integrating AI into military operations. The Pentagon's efforts to harness the potential of AI reflect a recognition of AI's transformative impact on modern warfare. The Joint Artificial Intelligence Center, established in 2018, serves as the epicenter for advancing AI capabilities across the U.S. military. Their mission is to develop AI solutions tailored to military needs while upholding ethical standards and transparency. As we explore these possibilities, it's crucial to understand the profound risks associated with employing AI in warfare. As we stand on the brink of a new era, we must navigate this uncharted territory with caution, clarity, and a deep understanding of the potential implications. Can we trust machines with life and death decisions on the battlefield? This question strikes at the heart of the debate surrounding the use of artificial intelligence in warfare. As we delve deeper, we'll see that the risks and ethical concerns are indeed substantial. First and foremost, there's the absence of clear regulations governing the use of AI in warfare. While the conduct of war is traditionally bound by international law, including the International Humanitarian Law, the application of these principles to AI-powered warfare remains unclear. This lack of clarity can lead to potential misuse and abuse of AI technologies on the battlefield. Another concern lies in AI's lack of capacity for nuanced decision-making and ethical considerations. As it stands, AI operates based on programmed algorithms and lacks the human ability to comprehend the moral weight of actions. This limitation raises questions about the appropriateness of using AI in situations where human judgment and ethical discernment are crucial. Furthermore, the unpredictable nature of AI adds another layer of complexity. Despite advances in machine learning, AI systems can sometimes behave in unexpected ways, particularly when confronted with unfamiliar scenarios. This unpredictability could have dire consequences in a military context, where precision and reliability are of utmost importance. The potential for AI to be weaponized also poses a significant threat. The development of autonomous weapons could potentially start a new arms race, as nations strive to outdo each other in AI-powered military capabilities. This could escalate conflicts and lead to increased militarization globally. Finally, the use of AI in warfare raises serious privacy and surveillance concerns. The vast data collection capabilities of AI could be employed in intrusive surveillance activities, infringing on individuals' privacy rights and civil liberties. In sum, the integration of AI into military operations is a double-edged sword. On one hand, it promises increased efficiency and advanced capabilities. On the other, it brings with it a host of ethical and legal challenges, as well as potential risks to global security and individual rights. Indeed, the use of AI in military contexts presents a complex ethical and legal conundrum. As we continue to explore the potential of AI in warfare, these concerns must be at the forefront of our discussions to ensure that we navigate this new frontier responsibly. Who should be held responsible for AI-induced mistakes or atrocities in warfare? This question is paramount when we delve into the topic of accountability and responsibility in the use of AI in military operations. Artificial intelligence, with its vast capabilities, presents a unique conundrum. It's not human, yet it can make decisions that profoundly impact human lives, especially in the context of warfare. Traditional rules of warfare framed around human actors become less clear-cut when machines enter the picture. The stakes are high, and the margin for error is virtually non-existent. The challenges of integrating AI into military operations are complex. For one, AI systems, while intelligent, lack the ability to comprehend the moral and ethical weight of their actions. They operate based on codes and algorithms, not on a sense of right and wrong. This absence of moral understanding raises the question, who bears the blame when things go wrong? Is it the military, who deployed the AI, or the developers who programmed it? Perhaps the responsibility lies with the government officials who sanction its use. The answers are not straightforward, and this gray area poses a significant challenge. Moreover, transparency is crucial in understanding and addressing these issues. With AI systems often described as black boxes, their decision-making processes can be difficult to decipher. This opacity makes it challenging to attribute responsibility when an AI system malfunctions or causes harm. The need for transparency extends beyond the technical aspects of AI. It also includes the policies and regulations governing its use. Clear, comprehensive rules need to be established to guide the use of AI in military operations, providing a framework for accountability. In the end, the issue of accountability and responsibility in AI's military use is not just about assigning blame. It's about ensuring that the use of this powerful technology is governed by ethical considerations and a commitment to do no harm. It's about making sure that in our pursuit of advanced warfare capabilities, we do not lose sight of our shared humanity. This uncertainty underscores the challenges of integrating AI into military operations. This is the reality we face as we navigate the evolving landscape of AI in warfare. Despite the allure of AI-driven advancements, we must acknowledge its inherent risks. As we delve deeper into the realm of artificial intelligence, we encounter a host of challenges that could potentially disrupt the very fabric of our existence. One of these challenges is the risk associated with AI models, particularly large language models, or LLMs. These models, capable of understanding and generating human-like text, are susceptible to flaws such as hallucination, where they fabricate information that's not present in their training data. This raises concerns about their reliability and integrity, particularly in sensitive military contexts where false or biased information could lead to catastrophic consequences. Moreover, AI models are not impervious to cybersecurity vulnerabilities. Just like any other digital technology, they can be targeted by malicious actors aiming to manipulate or disrupt their operations. In a military context, this could mean altering the AI's decision-making process, leading to potentially devastating outcomes. In addition to these inherent risks, the rapid pace of AI development poses a unique challenge for policymakers and regulatory frameworks. As AI continues to evolve at an unprecedented rate, it becomes increasingly difficult for laws and regulations to keep pace with these emerging technologies. This lag in legislative response could potentially leave a window open for misuse or exploitation of AI technologies. The allure of AI-driven advancements is undeniable. Its potential to revolutionize warfare, from autonomous weapons to intelligence analysis, is immense. However, the rise of AI-driven weaponry and information warfare underscores the urgent need for robust governance and ethical guidelines. These guidelines should not only aim to prevent misuse and ensure responsible use of AI in military settings but also promote transparency and accountability. It's crucial to establish clear rules of engagement for AI on the battlefield and determine who should be held accountable for AI-induced mistakes or atrocities. As nations race to harness AI's potential for military superiority, the stakes have never been higher. The allure of AI is captivating, but we must not let it blind us to the risks it poses. As we continue to explore the potential of AI in the military realm, we must prioritize ethical AI development and establish clear guidelines to mitigate risks and safeguard against unintended consequences. The rise of AI-driven weaponry and information warfare underscores the urgent need for robust governance and ethical guidelines. While AI holds promise as a powerful tool for military applications, its integration raises complex ethical, legal, and strategic considerations. The need for ethical AI development and clear guidelines has never been more apparent. As we navigate the uncharted waters of AI integration in military operations, we must ensure that the principles of humanity, necessity, proportionality, and distinction are upheld. Countries around the world are actively exploring AI's potential in the military sphere, each with their unique approach. China's military is reportedly developing AI-powered unmanned submarines, while Russia is investing in AI-driven drone technology. The United States, on the other hand, is focused on incorporating AI into its defense strategy through the Joint Artificial Intelligence Center. However, the race to military AI superiority must not overshadow the importance of ethical considerations. AI, with its capacity for rapid decision-making and action, presents a formidable tool in warfare. But without the ability to comprehend the moral and ethical implications of its actions, it runs the risk of causing unintended harm and escalating conflicts. While international laws exist to govern warfare, they were not written with AI in mind. Therefore, it is crucial to develop clear, comprehensive guidelines that specifically address the use of AI in military contexts. These guidelines should outline the acceptable uses of AI, stipulate accountability measures, and ensure that AI systems are designed and used in a way that respects human rights and international law. Moreover, transparency in AI development and deployment is paramount. Developers, military personnel, and government officials must work together to ensure that AI systems are thoroughly tested and their capabilities and limitations clearly communicated. Only then can we begin to build trust in these systems and mitigate potential risks. Emerging technologies always come with their share of challenges, and AI is no exception. But with careful planning, ethical considerations, and robust guidelines, we can harness its potential while minimizing risks. As nations race to harness AI's potential for military superiority, it's imperative to prioritize ethical AI development. It's not just about what AI can do for us, but also how we can ensure that its use aligns with our values and principles. Only then can we truly unlock AI's potential in a manner that is beneficial, ethical, and sustainable for all.